So today we'll be solving Leetcode 2658 question number. The question name is maximum number of fish in a grid. It is a medium level question of Leetcode. What the question says is that you are given a zero index 2D matrix grid of size m cross n where RC represent a land cell if grid of RC equal to 0 and if it is greater than 0 it is a water cell. So a fisher can start at any water cell RC and can do the following operation any number of times. Catch all the fish at cell C, RC, or move to any adjacent water cell. So and we at last we need to return the maximum number of fish that a fisher can catch if he chooses his starting cell optimally, or zero if no water cell exists. An adjacent cell of the cell RC is one of the cells which are in order like top, down, left, and right. So we can go to either of the four adjacent direction if it is a water. So let's take an example. So this is the grid given. So zero means land. So these zero means land. And we cannot start with land, we need to start with water. So let's say we start with 4. This is water. So I am at 4. Where can I go? I cannot go up, I cannot go right, I cannot go left, I can only go below. So I will visit 1. So what is the total sum? 4 plus 1 equal to 5. One possible sum is 5. So which is my current maximum? Okay. Again, I will then check what other possible options we have. So at this index, I am having a value greater than 0, which is 2. So I will start from here. I will go to my next adjacent, which is 1. I will add it. It will add it to 2 comma 1, which is 3, which is smaller than maximum. So I will not change the maximum. Now, what is the next possible cell? This is 3. I cannot go left, I cannot go up, I cannot go right, I just can go downwards. So I will just go down and add some 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is greater than my current maximum, so I will update my maximum to 7. Is there any another possible index? Yes, this index has a value greater than 0. So I will start from 3. I will explore all its neighbors. This is my valid neighbor. So, what is the total sum? Is 3 plus 2 is 5, which is smaller than my maximum. So, I will not update the maximum. So, at last, my answer is 7. So, I will just return my output as 7. So, what is the approach? So, we are not doing anything. We are just iterating to each index. And first of all, we are checking whether it is a what or not, whether its value is greater than 0 or not. If it is greater, then I will just do DFS from there in all the four direction. And whenever I am doing the BFS, I am changing my current value. So when I am starting from here, I am changing it to -1 and adding 4 to my current sum. And I will be moving to downwards. And I will also update it to -1. Why I'm dating it to -1? So that if in future I again visit this node, I will not start from this node again because I have visited it. So I am just marking it as -1 because to mark it as visited node. Okay, so let's see the code. So this is the code. M is the number of rows, N is the number of column. current maximum is 0, I will iterate to all the rows and all the columns. And if my current grid value is greater than 0, I will get the I will get what is the maximum I can get if I start from that particular cell. And I will then compare it with my current maximum and I will update my current maximum. At last, I am returning the maximum. So let's see what's the get function is doing. In the get maximum, it is first of all storing my current count, and then it is changing my grade of ij is equal to 0. We can take any value from 0 to any negative value, and then I am iterating to all the four direction, and I am updating my new I and new j, and I will check for whether they are inside a boundary or not. If it is smaller than 0 or it is greater than the number of rows, if the number of columns smaller than 0, or the number of if the column number is greater than the total the columns, or my grade of new and user is equal to 0, it means it is being visited or it is a land, then I will continue. I will not perform this operation. If none of these conditions are true, then what I will do is I will increment the count. I will just add whatever this function will be returning to my current count variable, and at last I will be returning the count. What the get function is doing, it is saying that whenever what is the maximum value I can get if I start from new I and new j, and new j. And after that, whatever value it will be returning, I will just add it to my current count, and at last I will be returning the count. Thank you.